Boom, 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 boom. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning, digital marketers. Keck here with Builderall, your information products training and support specialist. Good morning. Glad you're with us. Come on in, grab a cup of coffee. I'm going to check on my phone, make sure our broadcast is happening as planned. Support specialist. Yes, I hear myself. That's always excellent. Great. So, good morning, everybody. We'll give everybody just a minute or two to get in here. Again, my name's Keck with Builderall. This is the Information Products Digital Marketing Facebook group. Yeah, that's right. Is that what we are? Yeah, we're the Digital Marketing Facebook group, and we're glad you're here. Join the group if you want to learn about information products, how to make them, how to sell them, how to make some money online. Pitch in the group, help one another out. Please drop all your questions in the group rather than Messenger so everybody can benefit from the questions and the answers. And if you see anything in the comments that looks like it shouldn't be there, please flag it so it can be brought to my attention. Again, this is Keck. Glad you're here. We'll check in with Mr. Rooster one more time. That's right. That means it's time to get started with our training this morning. And we're going to talk about, we're going to continue talking about tags a little bit. We've been talking about email and different things in Mailing Boss. We talked about tagging. And then the question came up about tagging somebody that visits a website. And Shelly recently did a training on that, and somebody asked about it. So I'm going to do a walkthrough of how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen now. Share, and we'll see me go to infinity and beyond there. Okay, so this is what we're talking about today, friends. Adding tags to subscribers when visiting a page in Cheetah. So I've underlined a couple things in here just for our clarification. First off, we're talking about tags, okay, to subscribers. Very important. Person has got to be a subscriber on one of your Mailing Boss lists in order for this to work, okay? And then when you have a subscriber and they land or they visit a page in Cheetah, you can drop a tag on them now. So the main reason we're talking about this is to somebody asked, well, how do I know when somebody has gotten something or when they're starting? That's what it was. We were talking about a drip sequence in e-learning, I think. But the recommendation was you could put a tag on the thank you page. So they've purchased, they go to the thank you page, and then you know that they've purchased. So that's just one way. But let me go ahead and get into this. Now, first thing, the title I've got here, adding tags to subscribers when visiting a page in Cheetah. That is the exact same title here. If you were to put adding tags into our wonderful knowledge base, you would see this come up, adding tags to subscribers when visiting a page in Cheetah. Okay, and that's where we are, and I named it this so it'd be easy for you to find this in the knowledge base. So here's the document, and it's kind of cool to walk through instead of a video, but of course, somebody wants a video also, so that's what I'm doing right now. So here we go. First off, we are going to go to your Mailing Boss, okay? So let's do that. We'll go to our front page here. We'll go to our drag and drop email marketing automation Mailing Boss. Again, welcome to those who are just joining us. If you are in the audience right now, please drop a comment and say hi. It just helps me know I'm not talking to myself. If you're watching the replay, you can comment replay and ask any questions about this as I'm going through, and I'll answer them later. So here we go. We are at the subscriber or at the Mailing Boss. We're going to go over here to the left. Okay, and just reference our directions. We're going to click this little burger menu and hit integration. Okay, real simple. So hit the menu, go down to integration. Okay, and see we have an integration key that pops up. So next, our instructions tell us to go ahead and take that integration key and copy it. Okay, copy that to a notepad. Okay, and then add rules. So here we'll go. We will go back to our mailing boss. We're gonna open up a notepad. Okay, right there. And I'm going to copy this token and put it right here. Paste. Okay, looks good. Make myself a little space here. And then I'm going to say add rule. Okay. And the reference is just what you want to reference it as. I'm going to reference this one as test thank you page. Test thank you page. Okay, and however you put it here, copy it and put it in your notepad. You're going to need that in a second. Paste. Okay. That's the reference. And then time out minute. Okay. What this value is here is after somebody hits your page, how long do you want it to be before this tag hits them, or they're tagged with this tag? If you're sending them to a page, for example, with a 5-minute video, you probably want to make it 5 or 6 minutes. Give them time to watch the video. Makes sense. So in our case, we just want to know if they've landed there because it's a thank you page. So we're going to put 0. So right when they land there, we're going to leave it on that default, which is immediate. Choose list. Okay, very important. This has got to be attached to a list. So I'm going to use this test list and choose action. Again, back to our instruction here, the action we want to choose. Here we are now, the reference name, the timeout, we did that, the list. Action, insert tag value, okay? So under the actions, we're going to select that, insert tag value. And after we do that, it brings up our option to add a tag. So we're going to go ahead and add this tag, and we're going to call this one test 1. Test 1, no spaces, okay? And we'll copy that and put it in our notepad. There it is, perfect. And save rule. Okay, so we're saving. All right, and we see now that here's all our tracking rules. I have a few other ones in here. Test, thank you page, list is test, and the tag is test 1. So that's the one right there. Back up to our instructions. Okay, so next we need to go to the website in question and click on the settings. Okay, so we'll do that. I'm going to go ahead and just drop this mailing boss right here. Okay, and back here, I'm going to go into Cheetah now, find the website I want. So entering Cheetah. Okay, and I'm going to use this test website. Okay, and on this website, I just created this website to kind of show you what for demonstration purposes. So first thing, I just created a page that says test. Okay, and the next page is just a thank you page. Okay, so I wanted to point something out to you here. As I pulled in, I can take this off. I'll just leave it here. I pulled in an email marketing form here. Okay, I'll just show you where I brought it from. Email marketing, right here. I brought it over, and I noticed something kind of odd about it. It says first name, email, first name. And I thought, well, that's weird. Why would they have first name on there twice? Here's what to remember. When you pull in an email marketing form, okay, you are going to have to connect it here to a list, which I have done, test, okay, save. And it is not that they, Builderall or the developers, decided, hey, I want to have this box, this email marketing form have first name, email, and first name. It's really that you decided, okay? Let's go back into Mailing Boss, and I'll show you what I mean. So if we go to Mailing Boss and we go to lists and we go to test here, okay? Let's go to the overview. Okay, and so here's our list test, and we go to fields, okay? Fields. Now, here you see in the fields that we have created, or we have the option to add fields or to delete these fields, okay? I have set this up with 3 fields. First one is email, or one of the fields is email, another field is first name, and I have first name in there twice. Aha! So I just want to let you know if that trips you up sometimes, why are there these fields in my email marketing form? It's because those are the fields you have set in your mailing boss list. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. So now back on track. I'm going to drop this again and get back to our list. Okay, so now we're going to go to the website in question, like I say. And the reason I created this is just to test it, because you want to test everything you do. After you make this tag, you want to test it. So, but this isn't the page that we add the tag on. It is actually going to be the thank you page. Okay, so we'll go to thank you page, press on the 3 little dots here, and go to settings. Alrighty, and in the settings, we want to go to integration key, and you paste your integration key in right here. Okay, and your tag reference. Now, I've already done this testing it a little bit this morning, so I don't know if I can do more than one. Let's see, settings. I'm not sure if I can do more than one tag on this page or not. Oops, that's the wrong one. Okay, settings. Let's see, general settings, integration key. There. No, that's not what I want there. Okay, well, we're just going to do a little pretend land here now. Okay. So I did this separate just a few minutes ago testing it. I already made an integration key, and instead of naming it test 1, I named it test. Okay. So we'll just stick with what I've got here. You put your integration key in here, you put your tag reference, and back up to our guide here. Okay. Settings, integration key, tag reference. And the reason I say to use this notepad is because you want to copy it just like you wrote it down. Okay. So in this case, it's not going to be test 1. It's just going to be test because it's the one I did a little earlier. So I will drop this, cancel, go away, please, save. Okay. Why won't this go away? Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, so we're at this point here. We'll go back over here and press save. Okay, so now you can go to your thank you page. And I just made a page that says thank you. Okay, and I just saved it. It's an easy way to get this go to web page thing to come up. Several different ways you can do it, but I'm going to go to web page. Okay, and I'm just kind of OCD about this. I like to do everything in an incognito tab when I'm testing. So I'll go to an incognito tab, I'll paste, I'll go here, and the person is going to have to register first. Obviously, they've registered, they've gone and they've registered, they confirmed their email. I picked up the wrong page here. I want to be on the thank you page. Okay, I am on the thank you page here. So let's see. I see what it is. Okay, let me drop this and go to the thank you page this way. Okay, go to the website thank you page. All right, there it is. So you can come to the thank you page. If you want to do an incognito like me, that's fine. Paste, thank you page. Okay, then all I have to do is I have to click on here. Or I don't even know if I have to click, but once the page appears, it picks up the tag. So we can go back now into our, check back in here. Okay, this is all saved. And now we're going to go in our mailing boss and see that the tag has been picked up. So to do that, we want to go to our mailing boss and go to the list in question. So we're back over here to mailing boss. And we're going to go to lists. And we're going to pick up this test list and hit subscribers. 1 subscriber, that's me. And there's the tag. test right there. So then that's how you test it. And there's some great notes here. It says when a new subscriber is added to Mailing Boss, see, and that's very important. They've got to be added to Mailing Boss as a new subscriber to make this work. So when they're added to Mailing Boss and they visit a page with a tag for the indicated amount of time, in our case it was 0, the subscriber will get a new tag that shows in Mailing Boss. So now this tag can be used to send special email sequence to those with the tag. Those without the tag won't get, or you can also choose to not send an email sequence if they have a new tag. Say you have all the subscribers on this list set to an auto sequence to go out, but once they buy, you want to change that sequence. So this is a great application for a tag. You can stop them from that sequence, put them in a new sequence. So that is pretty much the long and short of creating a tag, adding a tag to subscribers when visiting a page in Cheetah. Go to the Mailing Boss, go to the left, go to your hamburger menu. Number 2, hit the integrations. The integration key pops up here. Copy it, put it in your notebook, add the rule, make a reference name, decide on your time, choose the list you're going to connect it to. In the action, you're going to do insert tag value, then create the tag here. No spaces, just numbers and letters. I don't think they have to be all caps, but I'm kind of trained to do it that way. And then put that in your notepad, save rule. And then next, you're just going to go to your page, go to the settings, put that integration key and tag reference from your notepad right in here, and then go down and press save. And voila, do some testing. You'll see that it works. Now you have set it up to tag people who have visited a page in Cheetah. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing my screen now, and that's about it for this training. I hope you guys, I hope it made sense to you. I know. Thank you. Thank you. Love you guys too. There it is. I got to practice my heart there. Okay, you guys, that's it for today. Thanks for being here. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. 9 a.m. will be our next live in this group, and I look forward to being there. I do appreciate each and every one of you being here. I'm here to help you. Please reach out, drop questions in the group if I can help. And I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Now let's build it with Builderall. Ciao for now, friends.